Yo, hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get the Kisaki Blue Archive in your iOS and Android device. So follow me and I'm gonna show you step by step how to get Kisaki Blue Archive in your device. So for the first thing that I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna delete the game from my device. As you can see, everything is legit and is installed correctly in my device. And I'm gonna delete it. But for you, the first step what you need to do is to go in this website that is called mobgames.online, as you can see written up there, and you can proceed inside the website, and in the top search bar here you can search for the desired game. So I will go for the Kisaki Blue Archive. I'm gonna tap it, and down in the purple button you can see the install button. So what you need to do is just to press it and let the website do its job. So the Kisaki now is downloading, so the website will handle the downloading and the injection to the system. So this method I've tried in both devices, is working in iOS and Android. So this is the second time that I'm installing in this phone, and this seems to work fine. So for now I don't need to do any verification. Based on your country you might need to do one, but in my country I don't need. And what do I need now is just to follow the instruction to go in the home page and to wait till the Kisaki Blue Archive is installed in my device, and that depends on your operating system, your device and the connection speed. So we wait a little bit till the Kisaki Blue Archive is installed in my device. So let's wait, and there it is. So I'm gonna open it to show if everything is running fine. Yeah, the game is loading. Everything seems okay till now. Okay guys, so everything running perfect. So thank you for watching, bye bye.